Hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. And once again, I'm coming out in front of you with a video with the purpose of my English speaking practice. Usually I am making video including learning English. This video is not out of that. It's also a learning English related video. In today's video, I'm trying to describe what I have surrounded me right now. Without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna interrupt you for a second. That is as usually as I did before, as I said before in my every videos. Um, I want to ask you a quick favor. Hit the subscribe button and turn notification bell on. Then, if I upload any kind of video in my channel, then you can notify. Now let's go for it. As you can see, and behind me, there's a wood garden. Out here 75 trees has been planted by one of my maternal uncle. He's passed away. Actually, he passed away 7 years, but he is not planted that. He wasn't planted these trees. His wife, that means my aunt planted these trees. Not 7 years. It's maybe 4 years. So 4 years of age. This tree is 4 years of age. Now it's well grown and it is now perfect for selling, but I don't know what she think about his tree, her trees right now. But as you can see, this land is little down than that. This one is ours. This one is ours, and this one is my maternal uncle's wood garden. Actually, this is fully, completely a wood garden. Actually, usually in the wood garden we plant certain species of trees. We used to call this garden is wood garden. So in this garden there is no trees that she planted, I mean my auntie planted, that give us food, and yeah, it's give us, provide us shadow, oxygen, shelter for birds, for not for us. Yeah, we used to use the wood for making the furniture, and sometimes we make the rooftop and the roof, and some people and yeah, of course we built our house with that as well. But this one is ours. Okay, let me take you to my wood garden. Actually, yeah, I don't know if you can see that clearly. In that place, it was not look like that before. As you can see right now, it was completely a barren land. Not barren land, maybe 12 or some trees were planted in this place, but my father sold out all of them because in that time he needed some money, and it was remain barren lands more than a couple of years, maybe 2 years or some. I'm not sure. I'm kind of guessing roughly. So after that, I asked my father that we can planted some trees in this barren land that we have beside our auntie's land. That as she did, we can do that too. So my father became agree with me, and last year we made it. We planted 105 trees. We planted 105 trees in our wood garden, but I won't say it is a wood garden because along with some wood trees, we planted some species of fruit trees as well. As you can see, this is the banana trees. This one is banana and it is the mango, and over there are some banana trees. And actually the five or actually in the last row, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that in the last row we planted more than 12 jackfruit trees over there in the last row. I don't want to go there because you can see there's a lot of bushes and extra vegetation here, and maybe some kind of poisonous snake can live there, so I don't want to get bite any kind of snake in that time during filming the video. Actually, I fear a lot. I feared a lot. I'm very scared about um, the snake because when I was child, maybe 12 or 14 years old, then the snake bited me, and it was a very worst experience in my life. I almost got passed away, but fortunately, not unfortunately, I'm sorry, correction. Fortunately, Allah saved me, Allah provided me new life, and Alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful to my God in that time. He saved me from something very bad could happen to me, and I survived in that time. So, okay, let's this. This is my top. This is not my topic today. So my topic was about the tree plantation or the wood garden. Yeah, actually, I'm trying to. Oh, I'm sorry. It was describing the things that around I had. So maybe this side is done, and if I turn my camera, you can see in the north side. Actually, east was the south side, and it's the north side. In the north side, we had a pond. We built the pond nearly 5 years ago, and we used to cultivate different kind of fishes here. And yeah, this year we did not provide the fish on it yet, but I'm doing a job, and I got my vacation, and I will come back home for provide some fishes. And you know that there's a big festival some days, um, after 2 days. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate our Idul Adha, so for that's why I got a vacation um, from my workplace. I don't want to say you what kind of job I'm doing. You can figure it out on your own. So yeah, we built another storeroom. Yeah, over there you can see. It's a storeroom. We storage the food for the fish, and define and some kind of materials and instrument that we used to use for uh, the fishing from it, like nets and some basket we have. And I think maybe I'm done for today. So yeah, we'll see in the next video, any video that I filming. Yeah, so keep going and keep learning, and you can take my video as you're listening practice or practice, or yeah, definitely you can learn some new vocabulary as well, because I'm trying to use some kind of unknown vocabulary that you never heard before, I'm pretty sure. And actually I speak a little fast, but I don't know. If you have a problem to listen me, understand me, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to make video like understand, which would be understandable and comprehensible for you. So thanks for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Bye bye. See you next time.